the bumper that I made for my car that I smashed up. I'm going to come in here later and I'm going to clamp something on there to make sure that that stays on the end. Just make sure it stays. It's going to stay. That stuff is so sticky you couldn't, it'd be hard to rip it off, basically. But anyways, let's go outside for a second. Just for a second. I was noticed when I was picking these bumpers up out of my garbage pile that the old bumper was there and I left it. I left it there because I want to see what it looked like sitting in the garbage. And you're going to get to see it with me. So what happened is I had a car called Way to Heaven. I smashed it up many years ago, and I had this bumper on the front of the car to make it look like a Briz bumper. That was what I did to make it look like that. And when I come over here, I found the bumper. And I hope you can tell. I didn't move it. I didn't do anything to it. There's the bumper right here. So this is the bumper off the Merc. This is the bumper right here that I smashed. Let's take it off and take a look at it. That's been out there. That was in an accident. And that bumper's been out here for almost 10 years. There it is. Not bad, eh? If I want to make the bumper, you can see how it's curled over at the end, how we're rolled over here at the end. Did a great job on that. There's where it hit the car and ripped the chrome off it. Right there, and ripped the chrome off. I wanted to do that again, just peel that off and do it again. There it is. I made my own brackets, welded them on the back of the bumper, filled the holes in. There it be. I even put gussets in it. What a boy he is. There's the bumper after 10 years sitting upside down in the bushes. So basically, to me, that works. It's in better shape than the rest of the bumpers. So if it doesn't work, go to 10, or if you're not saying it doesn't work, if it, the sheen is, the sheen comes off, get your heat gun out, pull the strip of it off, put a new piece on. Like it's that basic. Alrighty, just for shits and giggles, this is what I'm going to do. This bumper's going to hang on the wall. That's all it's going to do. Hang on the wall. You want a bumper on your Bugatti? It's not wide enough, but there you go. There's a brand new bumper. That's what the guy was looking for. I think that makes my case. If you want to do it, you can do it. An hour and 10. We've cleaned it, primed it, painted it, chromed it, and ready to go back on the car. And you can do every one of those bumpers that I have there, but you're going to have to pick and choose the product that you need to get it done. Like I said, this would be the smaller one. I'm thinking that this would be the smaller one too, because you'd have to do the weave in the middle to get it to come around the corners. I'm thinking that this is the 1/4 inch one. This one could be done with the flat. The 2 flat could be done with the 3/4 inch. Could be done whatever. This one here, I would have had enough chrome. I probably should have checked the other end and see if it was long enough, but it's all good, and I'm very happy with it. And have a great day, everybody. Tomorrow's going to be a brand new day, and it's going to just be repeat, repeat, repeat. Just keep doing the things I'm doing, and we'll be back. Have a good one.